happening? I wish I was in the movies.
Quiet on set.
What's happening?
They're filming something. We have to be super quiet. Action! So you're going, Frank?
Yes, the sea calls to me, Estelle, but one day I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No. Cut!
What's happened? Have they stopped?
For a minute, yes. The director says action to start and cut to stop.
Is it all finished then?
No, it looks like they're going to do it again.
Why?
Well, the director wants different versions of them talking to each other to see what works best.
Like a rehearsal for the school play?
Yes, a bit like that.
Action! So you're going, Frank?
Yes, the sea calls to me, Estelle, but one day I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No. Cut!
Looks like the director isn't happy. I wonder why.
This is the big moment in the movie, and it's not working. I need more.
We need more, people.
In the story, Frank is abandoning Estelle and their daughter to go to sea. I want the audience in tears.
Everybody, get ready to cry.
Something's missing. But what? Oh, of course! This is brilliant! Brilliant!
Stop crying, everybody.
What's your name, sweetie?
Mya Go!
Okay, Mya Go. Do you want to be in a movie?
Me? Yes, please!
Fantastic! We'll find some clothes for you. All you have to do is walk down here with your mom, okay?
My mom?
Not that mom, this mom.
Hiya, honey. What do I do?
You're Frank and Estelle's daughter. When Frank is saying goodbye, he's going to sea, leaving for years, probably. How would you feel about that?
Not very happy.
Exactly!
I'm actually quite mad.
That's the spirit. So I want to see how mad you are. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
Another job in the movies is making costumes, which someone has done for Mya.
Quiet on set.
And it seems like she's ended up in the movie after all.
Action!
So, you're leaving, Frank?
Yes, the sea calls to me, Estelle, but one day I'll return. Will you wait for me?
No.
Cut! That was brilliant!